Okay, I'm going to complete the assembly by putting on the faceplate. Make sure that all the little pots are accessible. The smaller let's go on the mono cables, jacks, and throw a washer. Nut. And the alpha pots. If you got an adjustable wrench, this is a great time to use it. If not, you can just use the old needle nose pliers, not too tight. Saw a piece of dust in there, so I shook it out. How I've spaced the connectors out across the board for convenience and use, but also because that's what's supporting the whole apparatus. All right. And we're ready to bolt it in. Okay, here we go. Here's the VCO we just built. Here's the other two I'd built previously. It's got the power supply there. We'll take a quick listen. Note that I have plugged it in the back, and of course you can chain up these different modules as needed. Let's take a listen. There's a triangle. There's the ramp. Then we'll take a look on an oscilloscope. Now I've got a fancy oscilloscope because I gave the last one that I had of the simple oscilloscopes to a late add in the class. So I'll just have to use my fancy oscilloscope. But the idea is the same. I've used alligator clips to attach to one of the longer cables. Let's look at the triangle wave first. Right now I'm at 4 milliseconds per division. And about 1.2 divisions says maybe a 5 millisecond period, which would be 200 hertz. The fine adjust, the coarse adjust changes it very quickly. The fine adjust is a lot more gentle. At the moment, there is no input voltage, and so I'm just going off of 0 volts for the coarse adjust, and there is no input modulation, so there's no difference made by the attenuation there. Let's just take one quick look at the ramp. Beautiful, there we go. Ramp, triangle wave. Again, note that the period is the same between the two. That's basically it for this section. We will be looking at how to make modulated waveforms and ones with controllable voltage next week.